Okay, hello everyone, good evening. And here I am today on day 12th of our 21 days daily experience sharing thing. So, my today's experience of the day, or from whatever I did throughout the day, and whatever I could extract and sum it up as my learning, would be a very known thing basically, one step at a time, or keep taking those baby steps. Yes, I think that would be a better way to keep it, like keep taking those baby steps if you are up for some new thing, or you are into planning into, or you are going to start something new or start afresh. Okay. And new, what I mean to say is new as in which is which you have not done before. There may be a lot of questions in your mind, and you might also doubt at times. But first most rule of thinking of doing something new and different for yourself, which will positively and progressively impact your life, is to remove the word doubt from your life, I would say. Do question things. Questioning things is different from having doubts. So I mean, it's a very thin line of difference as per my understanding. When you question things, there is a solution, but doubt is something which will keep growing. It won't end up with one particular solution. So that is there. So now take baby steps every day. What do I mean by that? Uh, you have to take steps daily. Don't worry about something remarkable and something very significant is not happening, something which is which will be making you feel that, oh, इतना बड़ा काम हो गया, आज तो बहुत बड़ा काम हो गया. No, even that single small step, even one step will make a huge difference. But I believe it is very important to make sure that you know if you took one step today, it should be two steps tomorrow, three day after, four, I mean, or 6, 10 steps, or just keep growing those, keep multiplying those steps. It's pretty fine if you have to come back one or two steps back at times, that's okay. But if you will multiply, then subtracting one or couple of steps back will not be a problem, because you may be sure at that particular point, wherever you will be taking a step back, that next day or your next step would be a greater multiplier. So baby steps is very important. Why? Because it will keep you motivated, it will inspire you. And you know what, when you start something new, or when you plan of doing something new, one single step at a day, in a day at a time, will result you in developing that kind of confidence in you, that हाँ ये काम हुआ है, I have done this, that means I'll be able to do this, right? So it's like that, climbing, you have thousand stairs in front of you and you just stare it. But as you keep climbing one step, two, one, two, one, two, one, three, I said 1, 2, 3, and then you will reach that 1000 step. So this is how it is. This does make a big difference. It's not only about how people say it or you read it everywhere, a cliched thing it may be. And lately I have been experienced the things which are more cliched makes more sense in your uh, real life. So this is how it is. So one more thing was coming to my mind, but just to substantiate my statement of what I learned today. So this is what, yeah, I'm just one example. Like if you are writing, if you are thinking of starting a blog, or even if you're thinking of starting a vlogging thing, making videos. So don't worry if you plan to make or record that video today, but for some or the other reason you were not able to do it, but you made a substantial contribution by at least writing down the content, or researching for the content, good research, which is having some kind of, you know, existence, stable or concrete existence, which will next day help you in making that video. Or if you're writing a blog, you make sure that the you have worked on the title, you have worked on the basics, and another day if you were not able to write it, that's okay. At least you worked on the, blueprint or the basic structure, and tomorrow you will be able to just finish it when you sit for to start writing it. So this is how it is. I'm feeling good today, and because I took a baby step, not a very great one, but then I realized that uh, great things doesn't happen by taking great steps. Great things, bigger things happen by adding on the uh, small segments and uh, sections and steps. So this is how it is, and I believe this will make some sense to you also. It will help you understand that the importance of small steps, baby steps, and just be motivated. And this is how it is. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me and spending your valuable time and watching this. Do let me know if you find it of some importance, some significance, adding some value to your life. I'll be happy. And I'm happy that this is the 12th day I am able to record a video, and I'll be posting it in another few minutes. Thank you so much. As I say it, let's stay stronger together. Let's focus on the path which we have planned for ourselves. Let's stay focused on what we want for ourselves. Be happy. Look for happiness. Look for positivity. And, let's stay stronger together. Stay connected. Bye. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.